Hi everyone, welcome back to another video on the channel. Hopefully you're all having a great day. Today we are here trimming Jaffa. Jaffa is a 22-year-old warm blood cross. Anyway, with that, let's crack on with the video. Right guys, so I'll make a start on this foot. I've just taken a few little cuts away here. It will come in, give it a brush off. Just start easing some of this frog away. You can see that this frog doesn't grow normally. She had an incident when she was a foal. She ran out onto the road and she ended up skidding down the road, and it just really damaged the bottom of her foot, and now it doesn't grow back normally. So what we're doing is we're just trying to give this a clean up the best we can, get it as normal looking as we can, because you can see there's lots of areas in here where dirt and debris can get caught in, and with that you've got the possibility of running abscesses. So getting this cleaned up is really important. See, this heel slightly folds under as well into that frog area, so I just want to clear that out, make sure there's no area where dirt can get caught. Like you can see in there, I've just opened that up there, and you can see where bits of dirt have got caught under. This hoof also grows really heel high as well, so we'll have to address that with our trim today. So I'll just come in with my hoof nippers. She really doesn't grow any toe whatsoever, so we're going to leave that. Come in with me rasp now. All right, girlie. Right, we'll come in, give this just a little dress forward. We're not going to go too crazy, just neaten this foot up a little bit. I'll just come in with my scrubbing block now, give him a bit of a polish up. And then I can come in with my hoof oil. Come in with my hoof nippers. We're just going to go around this toe. Going to leave this bottom in for protection. And just give another quick wire brush off. Right, just going to come in with my rasp now, give a gentle tidy up, not going crazy, just give everything a nice blend in. Nice round up on the bottom to stop any chipping. I can come in with my scrubbing block now, polish them up. And then in with the hoof oil again. Today's office view, guys. And there we have it, guys. That is Jaffa all trimmed up. If you like the video, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.